In this video, I will describe the Tech Academy's Web Developer Bootcamp. Actually, this bootcamp is technically called the Front-End Website Developer Bootcamp. Front-end refers to the user-facing part of websites, meaning the parts that people see and interact with, as opposed to back-end development, which deals with behind-the-scenes elements like databases. Students learn how to make websites and basic computer programs on this bootcamp. We created this certification program as an option for those who are looking for the fastest route into the tech industry. It is our fastest and most affordable bootcamp. The Front-End Web Developer Bootcamp is composed of 8 courses that cover a wide range of topics, including computer science, which is the study of computers and how they work, programming fundamentals, HTML, the language used to create websites, CSS, the language used to style websites and change their appearance, JavaScript, a popular programming language that can be used to add functionality to websites, and that can also create powerful computer programs, version control, which is a tool that tracks changes made to files, helping users work together and go back to previous versions if necessary. Agile and Scrum, which is just fancy names for in-demand project management technologies used in the tech industry. You will learn other tools on your bootcamp as well. You can find the complete list of courses included in this bootcamp on our website. But what it all comes down to is this: everything you'll learn is based on what employers need and want. We limit the subjects to real-world skills that you will actually use on the job. You will learn 3 programming languages on this bootcamp. We want you to have a large enough toolkit to succeed long-term in the tech industry. The primary difference between this bootcamp and our other offerings are: 1. On it, we don't cover any general-purpose programming languages, such as Python or C#. We only cover web development languages. 2. This bootcamp only covers the front end, part of websites and applications that users see and interact with. It does not delve into the back end, meaning it doesn't cover databases. On the Front-End Web Developer Bootcamp, you will cover around 300 study hours worth of content and tasks. It can take between 2 and 4 months to complete, depending on your study schedule. Students who study 40 hours a week can finish in around 8 weeks. Students who put in even more hours can expect to finish even faster, one of the many benefits of a self-paced program. If you purchase access for a specific amount of weeks, but don't finish in that time, you can purchase an extension. Now, as a heads up, it would be impossible to describe everything regarding each language and to cover all there is to these subjects in a bootcamp. We cover the basics of each language and subject, enough to where you can perform them with routine tasks, and to the point where you'll be able to pick up any additional needed skills on your own. Yes, the purpose of this bootcamp is to provide you with enough skills, but even more important than that, we want you to be able to learn and solve problems on your own. After all, we won't be there with you at your job. This program will prepare you for a wide range of entry-level technology positions and put you on the road to your long-term, secure, and lucrative career in tech. Our bootcamps are a major undertaking, a serious commitment, and a considerable investment, but they're worth it. If you think our Web Developer Bootcamp is the right program for you, you can enroll today, and I hope you do. Thank you for your time, and good luck.